Can CAT be cracked in remaining 40 to 50 days? The answer is yes. You might be wondering how, so let's discuss this. Namaskar, welcome to Supergrads CAT and I am Mayur. We'll be breaking it down how you can crack CAT in just remaining days. So let's do a realistic check. The first thing you need to do is to balance the number of hours. It can't be cracked if you are contributing 2 hours daily. But it's obvious yes if you are contributing more than 5 hours or at least 5 hours a day. You don't need a pile of books. You just need few selective questions, few selective sets and few selective RCs to practice during these days. So here you need to focus on quality rather than quantity. Let's break it down subject wise. If we talk about VARC, so for VARC you need 2 RCs regularly, and that too from previous year papers or from the mocks that you are writing. It should be with a mix of verbal section, that is para jumbles, para completions, odd man out, and with a pinch of grammar and vocabulary. The next part is to strengthen and reinforce all of these areas. You need to read good articles from the editorials of The Hindu, The Guardian, The New York Times or Eon Essays. Let's switch to DILR. If I talk about DILR, then you should target at least 3 sets regularly. Again, from previous year papers or from the mocks that you are writing. And to strengthen and reinforce your DILR section, you should keep on practicing your speed maths. You should keep on working your short tricks, and you should be handy with number system and PNC so that when it comes to making cases or counting or calculation or forming a quant based reasoning puzzle, you are pro with it. And the last section is QA. So in QA, you should focus on the areas which has appeared or captured the majority of the portion, and that is arithmetics, which is very obvious will come in the examination. So spend good amount of time with arithmetics. Focus on profit loss percentages, linear equations, ratio, proportion and variation. If you are pro with these areas, then definitely whole of your arithmetic will be like a walk on the cake. And then you can proceed with other areas like time, speed, distance, time and work, averages and SICI. As you move to algebra, follow the pattern that quadratic, progression, inequality, modulus, these are the areas which must not be left behind. And then definitely if you are left with time, then you can add geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, function and graph, and the miscellaneous topics like modern mathematics to your practice. But as I say, modern mathematics is optional. People tend to skip it. Do not skip it, because it will definitely help you while solving number theory, while solving DILR. So if you keep on breaking things, if you make a realistic timetable and make a checklist, and do not forget to mark it timely and balance it with the festivities which are coming across, then definitely you will be able to crack CAT in just remaining 6 to 7 weeks. Thank you.